Hey guys, what's up, Mr. Android here and welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, I know I have made tons of videos regarding oneui customization, but this video is going to be quite different. In this video, I will show you how you can take your customization game to the next level. With that being said, make sure you guys watch this video till the end, and also the likes target for this video is 800 likes. I know you guys will do it. So hit that like button and let's get started. Guys, as you can see that my Samsung Galaxy A50 looks quite different. If you see the navigation bar, notification panel and even the entire layout of my device looks totally different and way better. Also, I am using WhatsApp and most of my application in dark mode. In this video, I will show you how you can get this in your Samsung device. Well, first thing you need to do is just go to your Play Store and download this application called Hex Installer. Well, it's a paid application and I will recommend you to download it from the Play Store itself. If you download the cracked version, then I don't think that it will work properly. So just make sure you download it from the Play Store and install it to your device. Once you open the app, you will have this kind of interface where you will get some options like personalize, recent edits, troubleshoot, night mode, wallpapers and more. Just click on this option called personalize and here you can easily change the UI mode of your device. Guys, you can download different UI modes and if you want more plugins, then you can search it on Play Store itself. You will get many plugins like MIUI 11 which will change your Samsung device into Xiaomi smartphone. You will also get Android 10 plugin, iOS 13 plugins and there are so many plugins that you can download from the Play Store. Once you download it, just select the plugin that you want to use and now select this option called build and install. It will take some time because it is changing the entire interface of your device and it will ask you to install all the required elements to your device. Just install it and now you can easily set that particular mode by just going to the theme store. First, just make sure you apply the default oneui theme. And then again go to the theme store and apply this theme called High Contrast 2. Once you have done all this, now your device user interface will change completely and you will have a brand new look for your device. Guys, it is very simple. Whenever you set a particular mode, just make sure you go to the theme store and apply the default theme first and then apply this theme called High Contrast 2. Your user interface will change completely. Apart from this, you can also change the background color of your device. You can change the primary color, accent color, background color for your notification panel. You can change the icon color of your notification panel. It also allows you to change the size of your navigation bar. You can hide the battery icon and even you can change the shape of your notification toggle as well. So guys, there are tons of customization options that you will get inside this app. And one more thing that I love about this theme engine is that it allows you to use your WhatsApp in dark mode. So basically, we don't have dark mode support in WhatsApp by default, but by using this theme engine, you can use your WhatsApp in dark mode as well. So you can change the entire interface of your Samsung device by using this single application. I will highly recommend you to download this app called Hex Installer and step up your customization game. I will also leave a direct link for this app in the video description so you can download it from there itself. So that's pretty much it, guys. This was a video regarding Samsung oneui customization and I know you guys will love it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.